Today's video is all about an awesome print-on-demand service. I love it because it's easy to set up and use, and even better, it integrates with popular platforms like Squarespace. I'm going to show you. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I share practical advice to build your brand. That includes building your website and exploring integrations for platforms like Squarespace, one that I talk a lot about on this channel. Today's feature, on-demand printing. This is such a cool solution for that. Printify is sponsoring this video, and I've tried this platform and I really love it. It works with Squarespace. It also works with Shopify, Etsy, Wix, and others, but I'm particularly excited about selling on-demand products on Squarespace. I bet you didn't know this. It is actually cheaper to sell products on Squarespace versus Shopify. I think it's also a lot easier to build a website that looks beautiful, so I think this is a really good option for you. So for this video, I'll focus on integrating Printify with an existing Squarespace website. So I'm assuming you've done some legwork here to create a website already, choosing a theme, creating even a basic design. That's a good starting point. Now is probably a good time to tell you that you'll need a paid Squarespace plan, Business, Commerce Basic, or Commerce Advanced. These plans include the functionality that you'll need to integrate Printify. Now let's get to the fun stuff. I'm going to walk through the very simple step-by-step process of using Printify at a high level, and then I'll share my screen so that we can look at the setup quickly together. First, you get to pick your products. Their catalog has over 500 products, t-shirts, mugs, socks, home accessories, and the list goes on. Many awesome products ready for you to customize. You'll pick the most suitable product for your business based on a few things: print provider location, fulfillment time, and price. Of course, Printify will specify all of that, so you don't need to worry. Next, you'll customize. Printify has a really cool free mockup generator to apply your designs to your chosen products. Just upload your design, switch between color options, and preview your products on high-quality images. I'm going to show you that coming up. This mockup is designed to easily add your products to your online store. You're going to love it. After that, you can order a sample. Ordering samples from your chosen printer provider ensures that the end product looks and feels exactly like you wanted, maybe even a little better because you'll finally be holding it in your hands in real life. You can test different products and try different printers until you land on the perfect solution. Once you're happy with your custom product, it's time to publish. Since Printify integrates with Squarespace and Shopify, Etsy, Wix, and others, you don't have to worry about coding or anything overly technical. That's probably my favorite part. You get to just pretty much relax. They handle most of the work for you. I'm going to show you. Let's start the setup by answering this very simple question. What brought you to Printify? There's one of two options. You'd either like to order products for yourself, or you're here to sell products online. I'm going to choose that second option. And in this case, I would answer if I'm going to be interested in placing bulk orders. Yes or no. Maybe to start, I'm going to say no just to test some samples, but that's going to help them filter the best options for me. So you'll just describe yourself here, and I'll do this quickly. What describes you best, and what are you already selling? I'm going to say that I've got an online store, and I'll give an estimate on my monthly revenue. Let's say I'm a smaller creator just starting out. I'll hit next, and now we'll begin to walk through those steps that I mentioned earlier, and it's really straightforward. That's the best thing. You've got 5 simple steps here that you want to create. I'll fast forward to the fun part. But really quick before that, I want to show you it's really important that you know how to integrate Squarespace with Printify. All you're going to do is click up here and choose Manage My Stores. From here, you would choose the store that you want to connect to your website. We've been talking about Squarespace, so I would hit this, connect. Also Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more right here. Depending on what account you're connecting, I would go ahead and click this green Connect button, and that's going to bring up a prompt that allows you to connect your Squarespace website, just like that. Obviously, designing and mocking up your product, that's the fun part. So from here, I just, for this example, chose a unisex heavy cotton tee. We'll then provide a provider, and it lists out some different options and even some pricing and some colors. So since I'm in the US, I'm going to go ahead and choose this, this option here. Okay, I like this military green, so I'll click Start Designing, and right here, right away, I'll get adding my design, different options and possibilities to upload your artwork. You can design front side and back side, and really the possibilities are endless here to get something looking really cool. You're going to want to make sure you're better than me and upload a high resolution, so greater than 41 dpi, to make sure you get a really high quality. Remember, this image that I just uploaded for the example is saved for web, so you're going to want to save your artwork for print and make sure that's a higher DPI than in this example. But look at all these controls that it gives you to start to customize and create something amazing. Finally, check this out. This is my favorite part. When you click from edit mode here, which we're on, you see it a 2D version to preview. Look at that mock-up. It looks amazing, and this is going to give you such an idea, such a great idea of how that final product is going to look. So when you make a sale, your product passes quality control, and then it's sent to production, and then it's shipped directly to your customer. And you can easily track this whole process in your Printify account. I love that you can finally focus on growing your brand and generating conversions and sales without being bogged down by all the operational details of this. So that's Printify. I've included a link to the service below so that you can sign up for it and check it out for yourself. Use the code PHIL30 to get 30 days of Printify Premium for free. That gives you some additional features and up to a 20% discount on products. You can add the code under the payment section of your account once it's set up. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.